Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing of Cult Beauty and Saie, and unfortunately it's sold out. It sold out pretty quickly, as a lot of the Cult Beauty boxes do. It contains 6 beauty products. It has a value of £112 and it costs £35. 4 out of the 6 products are full size. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside. It says here, unveil the signature Saie glow with skin-loving makeup staples, expertly created by Cult Beauty. From a natural flush of blush to a glossy lip, discover effortless essentials that give more on days you want less. You will find links to Cult Beauty down below in my description. You won't find a link to this because obviously you can't get it. But if Cult Beauty have any other beauty boxes in they do actually. I am sure they do. I've been really unwell over the last couple of days. I've had food poisoning, which is not great. I'm still not 100% now, but I'm behind with my filming, so I thought I'd crack on today. Bit of makeup on, but yeah, I can flake out later. But I'm sure I have seen that Cult Beauty have got one coming, and I can't remember what it is. I might have posted about it. I can't remember. But if there is one coming in the next couple of weeks or so, then you will find it down below in my description, where you can sign up to have a notification of when it is released. So this is what the box looks like. There's no information in there, but all of these products can be bought on the Cult Beauty website. Okay then, so we have got Mascara 101 Thick Bold Lifted Lashes. Some of these products I've tried before and some haven't, which is always exciting. I love their blushes, which we've got. I thought we had 2, but it's not. So I'm not sure if I've tried this though. I don't think I have. A mascara there with a little funny wand to get right in the lashes in the corner. So we've got a mini mascara, Mascara 101. Then we've got a lip blur. I love the sound of that, a lip blur. A matte blurring lipstick in shade Modern. Very sleek design. Yeah, nice colour. Really lovely. See, it blurs out. Ooh. I do love a blurred sort of lip. It's very in Paris, isn't it? Red blurred lips. There's a name for it. It's like a bitten lip. But obviously there's a a French word to describe it. But it's kind of sexy, and yeah, I really like it. I like that colour as well, so really happy with that. So we've got a matte blurring lipstick in shade Modern. Then we've got a Glowy Super Gel. This is dewy illuminating fluid in shade Sunglow. So it looks like. Let's try a little bit on my hand there. Woo. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. I'll have a look now to see online, or unless it says on the packaging how to use it. I would mix that in with my foundation or on my skin as it is. That's really nice, like a tinted moisturiser. It feels really nice as well. It's not sparkly and glittery and over the top, you know. That is really lovely on the skin. Yeah, does it say anything here? No. Let's have a look online. Boasting a fluid gel texture, this glow giver melts into the skin and diffuses effortlessly for a dreamy, dewy gleam. A true multitasker, it works well alone to achieve that lit from within glow. As a primer underneath makeup, cocktails with complexion staples for a luminous touch, and you can even stipple it on top of foundation for maximum highlighting impact. Plus it's enriched with complexion caring ingredients like brightening vitamin C, moisturising papaya seed oil, hydrating glycerin and barrier boosting squalene oil. It sounds really great, doesn't it? Yeah, happy with that. Then we've got a Dew blush, liquid cheek blush in Cutie. There, I might already have this already. Possibly thanks to all the advent calendars I unboxed last year on my channel. Did you know that advent calendar season has already started? Oh my gosh, you might have seen recently, if you follow me on any like Instagram, Facebook, on the community tab on here, I posted up the Liberty waiting list. And yeah, it looks a good one. If you're interested in signing up for a notification about more about that advent calendar and other things as well, I've got something called a link tree. I've listed the link to my link tree in my description down below, and if you sign up to it, then you get a notification of whenever I post anything new, like advent calendars, waiting lists and new beauty boxes and things like that, you can either get it through text or email, and I can only send 10 a week, so I can't bombard you. So only 10 notifications I can send you a week. If you want to sign up for the Liberty Advent Calendar, just for the waiting list then, for more information, then click on my link tree down below and you will see it there. Hopefully that made sense. Yeah, beautiful colour. As you can see, I wanted to keep the shade there just to show you, but I just wanted to blur it out a bit. Really, really gorgeous blush. Really nice, pretty colour, easy to blend. Yeah, I do really love these blushes. Glossybounce. This is Hydrating Lip Oils. I've seen lots of lip oils recently, and it's in shade Dip, by the way. I love a lip oil. I love wearing matte lipsticks and then a lip oil on top. Yeah, this is really nice. So that's what it looks like. There. And let's do a little bit there. Oh, look at it. That is gorgeous. There, can you see? I'm going to have to go through my collection and have a look to see if I've already got this. I don't think I have. Oh, that is so nice. I love it. I love the tint of it as well. It's not going to give you a great payoff, but I think it'd be just really nice. Nice natural on your lips or on top of what I usually wear, then lipstick on underneath. So we've got a Glossybounce lip oil there in shade Dip. And then lastly, we have got Glow Sculpt, a multi-use cream highlighting blush in shade Quartzglow. I love that we've got all liquids and creams. Oh, it's so nice. Ooh, it's just plain black with the logo on there. We've got a mirror. Now this is something new for me. It almost looks like a sponge, but it's not. It looks like a powder, but it's not. It's cream. Let's try a little bit there. Oh, can you see? That's nice. Blend that out a bit. Maybe a bit more difficult to see because of the Glotion. What's it called? The glow lotion. The glow, what you call the glow something. Glowy Super Gel underneath. A little bit more there. Woo-hoo. It's pretty, isn't it? So we got a Glow Sculpt multi-use cream highlighting blush. It'd be nice to apply this blush, blend that in, and then on top then just a little bit there just to deepen the colour and just to give a really nice glow. Yeah, and you can't see much of my hands, they look a right mess, but those are all the products that I've just showed you anyway. Really happy with this box, really happy I went for it. There's some really gorgeous products in there. It's not a shock that it's sold out really, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What did you think of the box? Did you go for it, or do you think, nah, it's not for me? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.